Fuck. Hey guys, there's a CN eastbound coming. I think it's Amtrak, but I'm not sure. Here it comes, guys. Here's train number
It's
5 for this week. Okay.
I don't think it's Amtrak.
Okay, hold on. Are you sure you heard it?
Yeah.
Is he moving? How close? Okay.
I'm sure he's moving.
Hey guys, here's an eastbound coming. Here's train number 5 for this week. Here's my. Yep. Here comes, guys. Train number 5 for this week. Eastbound. I'm guessing it's an Amtrak.
No, it's not.
Is it a freight train?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Amtrak?
No.
What's it say?
CN.
Here comes. See, that's I'm guessing.
CN.
CN?
Yep.
See, that's I'm not sure.
6814. Okay, BNSF.
What's the number?
6814.
Really? BNSF?
Yep.
What the heck? Did you guys see that? That's weird. Holy man.
That's strange.
Man. That's weird. That doesn't really happen.
It's kind of a cool one to see, huh?
That's a BNSF right there. I'm guessing it's all car hours. I think it is. Cool, guys. High five. The signal was yellow right up there. High five. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Cool. It's raining, guys, so I don't want to move the window down, okay? What was the number?
6814.
6814. Cool, guys. Yeah, it's all car haulage. So this is an auger rack. This is a BNSF auger rack train. That's crazy. BNSF train. That's weird. That's cool. It's gonna go to Canada too. Car haul. Oh, maybe it could be a mill engine, but I'm not sure. Unless it's mixed right, but I don't think so. It's an auger carrier. Auger carrier usually means it's one engine. Augers. Why is this wrong? Yeah, repeat it. You better not stop. You won't. So guys, this is Spring Break 2017 Spring Break Whirlpool, okay?
Oh man, he might stop. He hit the
That
brakes hard.
Huh?
He slowed down fast.
Is he stopping? He might, but I mean, usually this is a different train. It's different. What track is it on?
It's a long train.
Alright guys, if it stops, then I'm just gonna make a video. Then I'll make the next video on my camera. What? It stopped. Wait a minute. Alright guys, that's all for me now. Part 2 will be my camera. Alright. Alright guys. Bad news, but that's all for now, okay? Alright. Okay, shh. What, you hear another? Hear another one?
No, it's moving again.
Should we turn around and check Speedway?
We will after this train clears.
Or is it from Mystic Track? Hear another?
Know.
Hear another train?
I'm not sure.
Oh! Alright guys, here's part 2. It's moving now, okay? I'm not gonna use my phone because it stopped with my phone. What time is it? It is 10:53. Cool. Good video on my phone too though, guys. You think it's this one?
I don't know. This is
well,
this train is. These are empty cars.
Huh?
These are empty.
I know. After this, we can check Speedway one more time. How much time we have anyway?
Not much, Gabe.
Okay.
I gotta get up in the morning.
Yeah, I understand.
But this is number 3 already. That's a pretty good night.
Huh?
This is number 3 already. That's a pretty good night so far.
Are we gonna turn around after this or no?
Yeah.
Okay. For Speedway?
Yeah,
When
we'll
you
check.
heard one, was it coming from Speedway or was it coming from this way?
I don't know. I just heard something. I don't know if it was a train.
Huh?
I don't even know if it was a train. I just heard something.
Was it a horn or was it like a
I
one?
couldn't tell. It was so
Is that the end? Yep, guys, it's the end. That's all for now. Awesome, guys. Look at me. High five. Awesome. Cool. BNSF, that's crazy. Alright. There's the gate. Here goes the train. Alright, that's all for now. We're going to turn around and check Speedway, see if anything else, okay? Spring break.